I'll quickly show you how to back up WhatsApp messages to Google Drive. Let's go. You'll start by clicking on the three dots. Now you're going to click on the settings option. By clicking on settings, you'll come to this page. On this page, click on chat. Now scroll down. You can go all the way to the bottom and you'll find the backup option here. Click on this option and you'll come to this page where the first step is to select the Google account you want to use for the backup. So you click here on the Google account option. In this case, this phone has more than one account. I can also add another account. In this case, I want to back up to this second account, so I'll click on it. You'll come to this page here. Notice that WhatsApp is requesting access to your Google account since you're going to back up to Google Drive. Scroll down. You can scroll down and click on Continue. Say to side, done. I've changed the account I want to use for the backup. Notice that below there's the backup frequency, so you can click on it. Here you choose whether you want to do it daily, weekly, monthly, anyway. It's up to you. I'll leave it here as once a month. You can also click here to include videos in the backup, okay? Then you check this option. Also to do it using your phone. So you can click, you can check it. Here I've already set it up. Now I can click to back up right now. I'm going to click. While it's backing up, you wait a bit. You just have to wait. Since I set it to back up videos here, it's going to take a little longer, but not too long. Almost done here, 93%. Since I chose to include videos, guys, it takes a bit longer, but if you do it without videos, the backup will be much faster, okay? But here I'm backing up to Google Drive, okay? Very quickly. And that's it, backup complete. I hope I was able to help. If I helped you, don't forget, help me too. Subscribe to the channel.